This shoe is the map of Africa. This shoe is African. Sorry, excuse me.
Morning. Morning. My God.
But the source of the shoe
is from Kano.
So it's a hide from a cow. This one is white man's hair.
White man's hair. Okay, so now wait, let's finish it.
Yes.
So you now agree with me that the hair that these African ladies are putting on their head are completely un-African?
No, because it's an extension.
Of what who said?
But you have not
where do you get the hair from?
No, you have not checked whether it's their hair or not.
So when you want a revolution, there must be no exception.
No, I don't have this disagreement with you.
Yes.
That people should
let us go.
The
only African man that I love.
This problem I have is an African man who is happy.
No.
You know the reason the wig was invented for lawyers?
No.
It's a sign of wisdom of a white man. Yes. They believe that anybody who has a white hair is white.
Okay, so and there are white, foolish white men in Africa.
So what happens to our own hair?
You are talking the same thing.
So why don't you come here? If you have to put an attire on your head, let it be an African attire. Because the Oba of Benin with the terracotta is a white man. The Ode of Ife. So wear something.
What about Tiger?
Of course, that's what I'm saying. I would be happy to see you with that colorful gala as a lawyer.
If I wear that one,
that the judge can wear whatever he wants to wear.
And come and see. And speak what language?
Any language, that's another problem. We can speak our own language too. There's a word for justice.
Sowore, my brother. I like you.
It's the matter of walking into the court and say, my Lord, today I want to present our case in a Ghana language.
Yes, and the judge will translate it.
There will be a machine that will be translating it as you are saying it on the wall.
Who produced the machine?
The Ghana people. Yes. Because it's their language.
Using what technology?
Where was that? Yes.